guys, I am Marlene and I am one of the Information Girls. Today I want to talk to you about navigating in your YouTube studio. Something new just came out and it's called Dark Theme. So what is Dark Theme? Dark Theme allows you to be able to tone down your screen's glare and experience YouTube Studio with a dark background. So how are you going to do this? You have to sign into your YouTube Studio. And in the top right, select your profile picture. Select Appearance, Dark Theme. And you can use Device Theme to use your device's dark theme setting. So that is how you're going to be able to do it. And all of this information is going to be into the description box below so that you can do this for yourself. I am Marlene and I am one of the Information Girls. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss any future uploads. And as Gio and myself say here on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up now.